Workshop: Customizing Websites with Microsoft Edge's Page Colors feature. Microsoft Edge now offers a new Page Colors feature that enhances accessibility by letting you adjust website color schemes for better readability and visual comfort. Here's how to customize this feature for your browsing needs. How to enable and use Page Colors. 1. Activate Page Colors. Open Microsoft Edge and click the three-dot menu. Go to Settings, Accessibility. In the Make Microsoft Edge Easier to See section, find the Page Colors drop-down menu and choose your preferred color scheme. 2. Available color schemes. Dusk, light blue text and links on a dark gray background. Black, white text and yellow links on a black background. Desert, black text and blue links on a pinkish background for better vision support. Customizing page colors. Behavior: disable high contrast requirement. If the feature doesn't work as expected, switch off only apply page colors when high contrast themes are on in the accessibility settings. Exclude specific websites. To prevent Edge from applying color changes to certain sites, click Specify Sites, then add and enter the URL of the website. Why use page colors? This feature is perfect for improving readability for individuals with visual impairments, reducing eye strain during prolonged browsing sessions, customizing your browsing experience for comfort and accessibility. With these simple steps, you can enhance your web browsing experience using Microsoft Edge's intuitive accessibility tools.